देखो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी होती है ना जो हम किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं करते हैं। ना अपने माँ बाप के साथ, ना अपने भाई बहन के साथ, ना अपने दोस्तों के साथ, ना अपने स्पाउस या अपने गर्लफ्रेंड या अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ। कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जिनके साथ हम खुद ही डील करते हैं। एंड मेजरली वो रीज़न ये होता है खुद डील करने का कि हमें शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती है, हमें शर्म आती है वैसा कोई क्वेश्चन पूछने में भी कि ये कैसे कर सकते हैं, एंड आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो दिक्कत आती है क्वेश्चन पूछने में या कन्फ्रंट करने में, दोज आर मेनली मनी रिलेटेड इश्यूज। सो आज के पॉडकास्ट में मेरे साथ है माई फेवरेट बी बॉय ट्रू वन। एंड खुशी चेहरे पे दिख ही रही होगी मेरी, बट हाँ, उनके साथ हमने ये डिस्कस करा है कि कैसे कुछ स्टेजेस होते हैं लाइफ के जहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, बट उन क्वेश्चंस या उन प्रॉब्लम्स का सोल्यूशन हमारे पास नहीं होता बिकॉज वी नीड गाइडेंस, वी नीड सम मेंटरशिप उस चीज़ के लिए। बट कोई है ही नहीं यार। अपने सुपर जनरेशन वालों ने शायद कभी डांसिंग को उतने सीरियसली लिया ही नहीं, है ना। एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द फैमिलीज में डांसिंग इज जस्ट अ हॉबी और जस्ट अ स्किल दैट you show at weddings or something like that, like कुछ एक प्रोफेशन की तरह इसको ट्रीट नहीं करा जाता है। तो इसके आंसर्स भी नहीं मिल पाते हमें हमारे माँ बाप से या अपने सीनियर्स से स्पेशली। तो वैसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आप भी नहीं पूछोगे शायद कभी हमें, या आपने कभी B-Boy2 या फर्स्ट जनरेशन डांसर्स से कभी नहीं पूछा होगा, बट चाहते हो पूछना, या फिर जिस प्रॉब्लम से आप गुजर रहे हो। तो उन प्रॉब्लम्स पे हमने फोकस करा है। जैसे इफ़ यू लव टीचिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू बी अ डांस टीचर, तो व्हाट इज़ द स्टेप्स टू बी अ डांस टीचर, लाइक ये सारी चीज़ें। एंड B-Boy2 के बारे में क्या ही बताऊँ। मोस्ट ऑफ यू नो हिम, ओके, इफ़ यू डोंट now you do. And he's one of the most amazing b-boys of the country. He was also in Red Bull BC1 India Finals 2019 top 16, and he has also been Red Bull's student ambassador for Kolkata. And आज का डेट क्या मई 2019 में से कुछ एक है। ये सवाल बड़ा ही वेग लग रहा होगा तुमको, बट फॉर क्लैरिटी मैंने बताया था कि ये पॉडकास्ट का आइडिया 2 साल पहले का था, कुछ मई 2019 का। और पहली बार जब मैंने डिस्कस करा था कि मेरे पास एक आइडिया है एक पॉडकास्ट शुरू करने का, वे डांसर्स कैन स्पीक एक्चुअली। सो द आइडिया वाज डिस्कस्ड विथ B-Boy2 एंड हिज टीम ब्रेक गुरुज एंड अ फ्यू डांसर्स ऑफ कोलकाता। एंड उनकी वजह से ही शायद मुझे ये एक स्ट्रेंथ मिला था फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, क्योंकि मैंने पहली बार उनके साथ डिस्कस करा और उन्होंने पहली बार ही इतना पॉजिटिव फीडबैक दिया मुझे कि इट इज़ अ ग्रेट आइडिया एंड यू शुड डू इट। एंड दे वर गिविंग मी आइडियाज़ कि तुम्हें ऐसा करना चाहिए, तुम्हें इस तरीके से करना चाहिए, तुम्हें उस तरीके से करना चाहिए। एंड इट वॉज ग्रेट। I was overwhelmed at that point in time, and that is why 2 साल बाद भी मुझे एक मोटिवेशन था कि मुझे ये करना है। हालांकि 2 साल मैंने डिले कर दिया for some reason, but yeah, and I always wanted कि पहला गेस्ट जो मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे हो, it was either B-Boy2 or B-Boy Burst or Hotshot or like anyone from Break Gurus, but it didn't happen actually. You know that it didn't happen, but कोई बात नहीं, 2 महीने बाद ही सही, but yes, B-Boy2 is here. And do you think कि मैं कुछ ज़्यादा ही लंबा इंट्रो कर देता हूँ? I don't know. Let me know अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो रहा है. And other than that, man, just enjoy the podcast. So, welcome True One, welcome B-Boy2 to shape your Sunday. You're finally here.
Thank you so much. Yes.
The people who don't know, I mean, a lot of people don't know actually, but the idea of Shape Your Sunday, ये जो idea था, मैंने सबसे पहले अगर share करा था किसी से, so it was with True One and B-Boy Burst and ये लोग सब लोग थे, and it was 2 years ago, 2019. And तब से I have wanted these people, ठीक है, इन लोगों में से किसी को to be my first guest, लेकिन things didn't play out very well, so better late than never. Okay. So we are here. And let's start the podcast. Welcome B-Boy2 and welcome Raj Bhaiya. How are you?
Thank you. I'm really good. Everything's going fine. मजा आ रहा है.
अरे I'm watching your reels and all, मतलब
दिवाली vibes.
हाँ. अरे हाँ, सबको
Nice.
हैप्पी दिवाली बिकॉज बोला अभी जस्ट दिवाली
Happy
पार हुआ.
Diwali. Just दिवाली गया, yes. And इस बार बहुत कम फटाके फटे.
I'm glad about that.
Yeah, तो pollution काफी कम हुआ luckily. But yeah.
So how was your दिवाली? सही था?
हाँ सही था, बिल्कुल सही था. We also did not burst any crackers as such. घर पे पूजा वगैरह हुआ and जो टेस्टी खाना बनाती है मम्मी, बस वैसा ही.
अरे भाई
छोटा सा हैप्पी फैमिली दिवाली.
Very nice. So we'll start with मेरे को एक मतलब मेरे को नहीं एक्चुअली आपके फैंस को जानना होगा, बहुत लोगों को. वैसे कुछ लोगों को स्टोरी पता होगी एंड कुछ लोगों को नहीं होगी. So I want to know the journey from Raj to B-Boy True One because True One actually means something. मतलब ऐसा ही नहीं है. So I know the story, but for the listeners, can you just tell us क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ?
Yeah. So basically, my mentor, B-Boy Hotshot, I used to ask him a lot of questions during the starting years because I was very curious to know about every small little detail, like um, who started hip hop, Cool Herc, how did it start, like what was the name of the party, where was that party held, this, that, like a lot of small questions and a lot of small details. So he just, and he used to answer everything, but he was like, since you want to know, about everything in so much detail, and you're one of the few people who I know who wants to dig in the history. So he was like, you should, like, we should call you True One because the name means basically you have a lot of knowledge and you can share this knowledge with others as well. So that's like True One, trying to keeping it true to the art.
Nice. This like जब मैंने ये पहली बार कहानी सुनी, I was like, wow, like this is like, मतलब ये legit लग रहा है कि कुछ हो रहा है, like it is really very fascinating and really amazing.
Yeah, and then afterwards I also made acronym for True One. Yeah, so truth redeems under enlightened one. Very
Absolutely.
high-five stuff.
And you're living up to your name, absolutely. Like
yeah, I'm glad.
Yeah, and you're doing really great. Like of course, मतलब उतनी बातचीत तो नहीं हो पाती है because you're busy, I'm busy. Like we both see each other's like Instagram and all, तो we know कि अब कैसे चल रहा है.
Yes. Finger cutting and everything. Killing it, bro.
Like I'm loving your like recent में आपके जितने भी content है and all. Like I'm really loving it.
Yeah.
Like
because I think COVID के lockdown में everyone had to become a content creator. क्योंकि बाहर जाने को है नहीं, so you basically learn yourself कि कैसे edit करना है, कैसे upload करना है, and it's just fun little pastime, you can say.
Right.
Content.
So for the audience, like I would like to tell you कि why was I so excited about B-Boy True One to be on the podcast is not because I know him and I really like, I'm a big fan of him, but also when you dig into the history of Indian hip hop culture, Indian hip hop movement, whatever you want to call it, कैसा history रहा है. So his name, his crew's name, and the forum that he was a part of, like ये सारी चीजें हमेशा आती है. Even it was even in the Red Bull documentary, if you guys have seen it. So tell us a little bit, like correct me if I'm wrong, but as far as my research goes, कि इंडिया में हिप हॉप का इंट्रोडक्शन b-boying के थ्रू हुआ था. Like it was through dancing that India got introduced to hip hop. Is it like, as far as I know?
The thing is, it's quite controversial, so I don't really want to get into it because whatever, like basically like some rappers say that it started from rap and not dancing. So because we were not there at that time and we don't exactly know who and how it started, but the basic idea is that there are a lot of people who influenced the dancers, like the hip hop dancing started a long back, and few of the dancers who I know are Proshanjit Kundu, Hira, and Simon, and these guys, they were the first dancers who had, started, what to say, spreading hip hop through breaking or through popping or other styles as well. And yeah, so these are the few dancers who are credited for the starting of the hip hop dance movement in India. So yeah, but some people say that it started from rap and stuff. I don't know. I have no clue. But it's just what
नहीं
I
of
heard.
course like it may be some controversial हो सकता है लेकिन like
Yeah.
as far as my research goes कि मतलब जितना dates and timeline देखें तो b-boying I guess अगर कैसे भी शुरू हुआ but शुरू हुआ that is a great thing and we all of us are actually
Yeah,
carrying
yeah.
it forward, so
Exactly,
that is an
exactly,
amazing
exactly.
thing.
Yep,
And
yep, yep.
I brought this up
Absolutely.
because I wanted to know about a lot of people may not know about the BBT. So how did the BBT
Oh
form
yeah,
and what was it like? Because it was a big thing back then.
yeah. Very big thing. So we, like, few of us, we were part of a crew called Crafts of Commotion, and due to some ideology differences, so we separated. Few of us separated: Harsh, me, Neil, Nazir, Tushar, and we decided ki there are already few crews in Kolkata. So instead of making a crew, why not we make a forum where there'll be other artists as well. So we had a couple of graffiti artists, couple of graffiti artists, and there was a DJ Cruz, Spin Master Cruz, his name was, and yeah, graffiti artists Shock, Remel were there. So it was like a small forum which we had, which turned like a small family of ours, and we are still in touch. We still talk to each other. Everyone is doing really good. So it wasn't the plan, like the idea wasn't to have like a close knit thing. It was like it's just a forum where we are just gonna be there to help each other out and stuff like that. So it's still there. We still meet, we still talk. It's not on social media, but yeah,
हाँ
it's
ये
there.
शुरू भी तो मतलब सोशल मीडिया का पहले हुआ था I guess
हाँ,
ना
पहले हुआ था, yeah,
वही
Big
ना
Bang Theory Forum.
the
Yep.
Big Bang Theory forum.
Yeah,
And it was like really fascinating because I love history. ठीक है
yeah,
मुझे I love to dig into like how it has happened when it had happened. So मेरे research में
yeah,
मतलब BBT when BBT came it was like यार cruise तो सुने थे like हाँ cruise बन रहे
हाँ,
थे they were dancing together
yeah,
helping each other but then the forum idea was totally different like totally out of the box कि
yeah,
there
out
is
of the
no
box. हाँ,
मतलब you belong to a forum मतलब you belong to a certain community but then it is so
yeah,
open कि कोई भी आ सकता है exchange कर सकते
कोई
हैं
भी आ
हम
सकता
and
है,
like
yeah,
it was not
yep,
bounded like crew के जो boundaries होते हैं वो
exactly.
तोड़
It was
दिए
not like, हाँ, it was not like that. Yeah.
yeah it
So
was
yeah,
so
it
great
was really fun.
absolutely so um so like last year was it India finals Red Bull BC1 India finals you were in the top 20 b-boys right or top 16
Yeah.
what
Top 16, top
top
16. It
16
was
na
2019. 2 years
2019 yeah
ago.
last to
2019.
last year
Yeah,
so
yeah,
uh, so being there like it was your first Red Bull event like where you were in the India
yeah,
finals
yeah,
na?
yeah. India finals, yeah.
So you were there
Because I was
and
trying, हाँ, जब से start हुआ BC1, like I have been, wanting to be there like really bad, and every year I used to lose and get really disappointed. But luckily, like 2019 was a good year for me, and I got to go there and experience like the hype,
yeah man.
and it really boosted up boosted my confidence, and I was like, "Wow, okay, yeah, lots of things I got to learn from that."
Yeah and that is what like I was going to say like oh, I wanted to know your experience only so uh, you are also like the student ambassador for Red Bull in Kolkata right or the
Yes,
region
yes, yes,
है
yes.
ना
No, 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 only Kolkata.
only Kolkata
Yeah,
so
only
how did
Kolkata.
that happen like because पॉडकास्ट का मेरा जो थीम है दैट इज मोस्टली मतलब अराउंड की हाउ टू make money, but the term is
As
make
an
money,
artist.
but
Yes, sir.
it is we actually हम ये सिखाना चाहते हैं कि how to make a living out of dancing. ठीक है, make money, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
make money, there are several ways, but
Definitely,
you have
definitely.
to make a living
Yeah,
and
yeah.
sustainable,
Through
right?
dance.
So
Yeah, yeah.
how did you get to
Definitely.
like the that position where like you're the student ambassador for Red Bull in Kolkata?
Yeah, yeah. So one of my friends, he was a popper called Richard Wong. He was working in Red Bull before me. So he introduced me to Rachit Mehta. He was
Okay.
the FMS, like field marketing specialist of that time in Kolkata, and he took my interview. And he had known me a bit from before because he had seen me dance in some Red Bull events.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So he took the interview and he liked it, and so I got in. So basically, it was like college specific, job. Basically, I was handling a couple of colleges where जो भी events होते थे या if Red Bull had to do an event where inside the college and stuff to get the permission from the teachers and the principal and everything. So that was the job overall, and to make Red Bull activities happen inside the colleges and stuff. So I got in, and I started earning money, and it felt really good because as a up and coming dancer, the main drawback I feel in India, and it's not for everyone, but the first hurdle which you'll face is convincing your parents that you can make a living through dancing, right?
Exactly.
And for like when I had started, and for a long time, whenever anyone used to ask कि like जनरल क्वेश्चन होता है ना रिलेटिव्स का कि क्या आगे जाके क्या करोगे, लाइक ट्वेल्थ हो गया, अभी आगे जाके क्या करोगे, कॉलेज के बाद आगे जाके क्या करोगे.
Right.
So I used to always feel embarrassed to say that I'm gonna be dancing only, because it never felt to me that that was a solid answer. Like you can say कि you'll be dancing, but how will you be earning through dancing?
Exactly.
That time I did not know, and I could not explain to them. So to just avoid that topic, I used to just say कि I'll do some job, this and that. And yeah, it was like that. And Red Bull में when Red Bull में job लगा, so घर पे भी सब खुश, बोले अच्छा बेटा job वॉब कर रहा है, this and that. But that job has only a 3 years का term, and
अच्छा
after that term you have to leave. So
अच्छा.
I did 3 years and I left, and my parents were worried ki how will you sustain now. And luckily now coming to the one of the main topics of the discussion for today, which is how can dancers make a living through dance, right? So from my experience, the first and foremost thing is you have to figure out what you love to do. Okay, inside dancing, do you love to perform, right? Or do you love to make video content? Whatever you love to do. Like for me, for example, I really love to teach
Teach.
dancing to yeah. It brings me happiness just as much as happiness as dancing on a stage or winning a competition. It's the same kind of feeling when you see your students are progressing because of your help and stuff, and they are doing good in whatever they are learning. So this question you have to ask yourself is, what do I love to do? Like what is like in dancing, what is making me happy? Is it just battling, or is it just maybe performing for a crowd? Some people love to be on the stage more than the battlefield. So stuff like that. There are a lot of aspects which you can pursue. Like for example, if you love to if you want to be a YouTuber, you can be a YouTuber through dancing as well. There are a couple of b-boys, international b-boys, who have turned into streamers. They stream on Twitch and they get donations, like they stream the live events and stuff.
Okay, wow.
So yeah, so there are a lot of like जो कुछ भी आपको पसंद है ना, you will be able to uh, क्या बोलते हो, like उस चीज से you will be able to earn, but first you have to
हाँ,
figure out कि क्या चीज है.
राइट,
And to figure that out you also have to do a lot of things थोड़ा थोड़ा करके, like you do some shoots, and um, you try to oh, like क्या बोलते हैं, you go live on Instagram and stuff, right? If you love to create content, then you can start collaborating with brands and stuff like that. So there are a lot of ways that you can be earning money through dancing. It's just first and foremost you have to figure out how do you love to do it. So taking my example, I really love to teach, as I said. So what I did, what I am doing right now, what I should have done, a bit long ago, but no one was there to guide me because I'm the elder in the house, like the elder son in the house. At the
okay,
same
nice,
time, I, the older generation, the problem which is there, which everyone faced, is not having anyone to look up to ki, for the guidance ki, अच्छा ये करो, आप ये करो, आपको ऐसा ऐसा settle हो जाएगा, like you
करेक्ट,
will be able to
करेक्ट,
do this through this, or you will be able to do what you're planning, how to plan, etc. So so what I realized, what I should have done earlier, was not just focus on traveling and battling, because that is a very important part of any dancer's growth.
करेक्ट,
You
हाँ,
I had realized quite a while ago कि I love teaching. I should have focused a bit more on expanding my classes, like going to studios, talking
राइट,
and starting classes, which
दैट यू
I'm
आर
doing
डूइंग
right now. Like I'm
नाउ,
teaching in,
या
yeah, exactly. I'm teaching in 2 studios, and वही तो क्या बोले, late से आया बुद्धि, but it's okay. Better late than never. So I want to share this with you in the stream so that others can hear me
एग्जैक्टली,
out,
हाँ,
because a lot of up and coming dancers, they are shy, or they are introvert, and they don't really know how to ask these questions
एग्जैक्टली,
when they are meeting you, or even online they are not, like they don't know how, they just don't know how to ask कि
एग्जैक्टली,
भैया
ये
कैसे
थोड़ा
क्या
सा
करना है,
ऑकवर्ड
थोड़ा गाइड कर
पोजीशन भी
दीजिए.
है कि ये क्या
बहुत
पूछेंगे
awkward हो
इनसे
जाता है,
कि
exactly.
व्हाट विल ही
Yeah,
थिंक.
yeah, because they are in that situation ना, अभी अभी उनको
राइट,
खुद नहीं पता
हाँ,
कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, जो हो रहा है
एग्जैक्टली,
होने, like just going with the flow. So वही है. So I'm breaking it down. First step is figuring out what you love to do. ठीक है. So for me, it's love, like I really love to teach. So that transcends to giving classes, giving workshops, stuff like that, making online content related to जिसमें मैं
टीचिंग
I'm giving like
ट्यूटोरियल्स एंड ऑल,
tips, yeah,
हाँ,
tutorials basically. So more of that is gonna come in future as well. So this giving classes has helped me a lot in understanding how to approach studios for your classes, how you make the deal happen with with the studio, and because the studio also needs their profit, right?
करेक्ट,
They
हाँ
are
ना, हाँ,
looking for
हाँ,
something
वो तो है ही.
in return. So you have to provide that. uh, at the same time, it's just a wonderful feeling for me, like abhi I have so many students, and seeing everyone grow
And
is
everyone
like a very,
I must tell कि all of them are doing so crazy, like of
yeah,
course I know many of them, ठीक है, personally भी दोस्त हैं कुछ
yep,
लोग,
you do,
तो
yeah, yeah,
मतलब
हाँ,
they are doing so good, and I'm like I feel so good. I don't know, like उतनी ज्यादा बॉन्डिंग नहीं, उतने ज्यादा हम मिले नहीं है, but still I feel so good when I see them dancing ना, कि अरे यार ब्रो ये
yeah.
क्या, मतलब 2 years ago I met him, और ये मतलब he was just starting, and अभी मतलब pro level, like, and hats off, like
Yep,
actually like
definitely.
it is your मतलब achievement, like achievement times 2
Yeah,
times
it's
3, like
it's an achievement,
because
exactly.
they
It's
are
also
doing
an
so
achievement.
good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's like it's indescribable, like that
Yeah,
feeling.
yeah.
But yeah, it's really good. And
So where are you teaching
like,
these days?
so there's one studio called Dance Different, and there's one studio called Open House, and
Okay,
I'm renting one more studio for like my personal classes as well. So वैसे ही three places I'm teaching. And one more thing which I would like to share is that, you know, don't just stick to your style. Like, it's understandable that, like, if you really love to do house, or if you really love to do popping, fine, you know, उस पे practice, वो चीजें practice करो and grow in that style. But in overall, I would recommend कि आप you know, learn basic hip hop as well, like old school hip hop, the new school hip hop, and some other styles if you can. If not, then just hip hop is fine. Is because most of the places where you'll go to teach, they would not require a specific style yet. Because
Exactly.
even till now, a lot of people don't know about the specific styles.
Absolutely.
So in general, they only want, like, you know, hip hop teachers and stuff like that. Hip hop for kids or hip hop for fitness and stuff like that. So if you know even a little bit of basic of hip hop, you can mix that with your style, and you will be able to teach. You know, like, they just want, like, um, whatever they're wanting to get out of it. Like, for example, if someone wants to do it for fitness, you will be able to make them dance for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and they'll get their goals completed, which is fitness. Some people want to do it for fun. You know, you can make a choreography on a song which they'll do, and they'll be like, I'm able to do this choreography, so they'll have fun. They'll
Right.
make videos because they also want to make videos and stuff like that. And
Yeah, yeah.
the quicker they are able to do that, the better they feel, right?
हाँ.
So few things, you know, not like teaching सिर्फ सिखाने से नहीं होता. You have to, you know, सिखाने का भी बहुत
Exactly.
सारी चीजें होती है सिखाने में. एंड you have to understand, because no one will come and teach you these things कि ऐसे सिखाओ, या फिर ये चीज सिखाओ, या फिर पॉपिंग नहीं सीखना इनको, इनको कुछ और सीखना है. You know, lot of things which you have to go through life and experience and understand. So I'm just sharing मैंने जो समझा है अभी तक.
नहीं, ये बहुत ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल है. आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाई, बिकॉज आई एम अ टेरिबल टीचर. ठीक है, लाइक टेरिबल. बिकॉज मेरे को दूसरे स्टाइल्स में उतना ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. लाइक आई वांट टू टीच स्पेसिफिक, लाइक है मुझे स्टाइल्स में इंटरेस्ट है, बट व्हेन आई एम टीचिंग आई वांट टू टीच ओनली वन स्टाइल एट अ टाइम. आई डोंट लाइक, मैं मिक्स नहीं करना चाहता. ठीक है, बिकॉज मेरे हिसाब से द फ्यूजन कम्स आफ्टरवर्ड्स. पहले क्लास में आई डोंट वांट टू फ्यूज एंड लाइक, ठीक है, and it is a terrible way of teaching. Like, I have understood now. ठीक है, and I have also understood that I cannot be a teacher. Like, it's just instinct ना, मतलब एक होता है कि some people are good teachers. हाँ, some people are good performers and like इस तरीके से. As you said कि you have to find कि, हाँ, कि कैसे किस चीज में तुम अच्छे हो.
You find that, you know, doing these podcasts, you are really good at interviewing people, and you know, you're really good making videos, you know,
Right.
with whatever you're loving to do. So ऐसे ही, if you know, individually people ask themselves कि मेरे को क्या करना पसंद आ रहा है, and किस चीज को लेके मेरे को और आगे बढ़ना है, then you'll get more answers to those specific topics that you're searching for.
Right. And it is so important, जैसा आपने बोला ना कि I am so relating to it, कि कोई बताने वाला ही नहीं है कि क्या करे, क्या सही है, क्या नहीं है. राइट. एंड मतलब जैसा हमारे साथ, आपके साथ रहा है, हमारे साथ रहा है, वैसा अभी के जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन डांसर्स है, न्यू जनरेशन डांसर्स है, सेम वो लोग भी यही चीज फेस कर रहे हैं. तो मेरे को वही लगता है कि अगर सेम प्रॉब्लम हर जनरेशन फेस कर रहा है, तो आर वी इवन प्रोग्रेसिंग? तो दैट इज व्हाई, लाइक, मतलब I was talking, like, I am in talks with, I am in talks with other dancers also, and since we are at this topic and ये record भी हो रहा है, like, gladly, कि I like, what do you think? Let us make a like detailed course, like not and पढ़ने वाला, mostly मतलब interactive course, in which people like you who have actually done the shit, okay, they can share their experience and then teach the next generation कि कैसे हो सकता है. It could be called a blueprint to something, but मतलब in a really informative way, जिससे मतलब this could be a really valuable stuff, valuable asset, if जो भी इसको मतलब लेगा या फिर जो करेगा. So this
Yeah,
could
yeah,
be a
definitely.
plan,
This
okay,
is
in the future.
Yeah, this is one thing. Yeah, this is one thing where like I've attended couple of salsa festivals with Soma ma'am, Soma
Yeah,
di.
yeah.
So वहाँ पे they have specific discussions on these topics ki um, what what all you can do, like how can the
Ah,
Latin dance form progress in your city, like how you can contribute this and that. So they have proper discussions like this. When इंडिया में जब हुआ था BC1, Red Bull BC1 2019 में, that time also, like the world finals जब हुआ था, that time also they had discussions on these topics
wow.
related to breaking. So the younger generation should really जैसे जहाँ भी ऐसा opportunity मिले कि कुछ discussion हो रहा है, हाँ सब, one big problem of, I mean it's not a problem, but one big क्या बोलते हैं, drawback for the young generation is they like to hang out with people their age only. And एक बहुत ही अच्छा advice I had seen online is to make friends who are older than you, so that
Correct.
you can learn from their
Learn from them.
experiences which you are about to experience in the future. So accordingly, like taking that advice, for example, I would really recommend कि अगर जो young generation dancers है, if they can try to approach the senior dancers and get, I mean क्या बोलते हैं, um get friendly, make friends with them basically, and hang out with the senior dancers of your scene who you are seeing ki they are doing something, they're able to do something through
Right.
dancing. So if you are making friends with these people, they'll be able to give you advices which people
Correct,
of
correct.
your age might not be able to give.
I have seen some in
Interactive.
international dances, बाहर के dances, to make a detailed
हाँ.
course. Like क्या होता है ना कि
हम्म.
ये थोड़ा सा ना मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, bad light में भी है, क्योंकि like making a course and selling it, मतलब
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा
हाँ.
bad light
हाँ.
में भी है ये चीज. तो मतलब थोड़ा
हाँ. हाँ.
लोग
I know.
हिचकिचाते हैं, you know like what I mean, right?
I know. I
हाँ.
know. हाँ. हाँ.
हाँ. So that is what I was thinking कि अगर ये possible हो पाया, like the Verb Studio has something like this, a program like this, है ना?
हाँ. 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 हाँ.
है ना?
Yeah. The
हाँ,
Verb
तो
Studio is. हाँ.
like you can or someone can do it for their personal brand also, कि खुद से करे और खुद ही से बेचे
Definitely.
and all, and it could be a really
Yep.
good revenue
Definitely.
generator, I think.
Yeah. Million dollar ideas.
And like because like
Yeah.
I am into like this digital stuff and all, ठीक है, and ये अरे क्या हो गया बाल को मेरे हटाओ. तो आई एम इनटू दिस डिजिटल स्टफ, तो मेरे को थोड़ा आइडिया हो गया बिकॉज आई हैव एक्चुअली मेड कोर्सेज फॉर अदर पीपल. ठीक है, आई हैव मेड सम फाइनेंस
अच्छा.
रिलेटेड
That's good.
कोर्सेज and digital
Wow.
marketing courses and all these things, edit actually, because I edit videos. So
हाँ.
I have some idea, like I
हाँ.
have seen like and I'm seeing this model to be really good कि मतलब क्या होता है ना, you make this once and at least for a year you don't have to think about it. ठीक है कि एक साल
Yeah.
दो साल में
True.
you don't have to update it, you have to make it, मतलब आप ऐसा बनाओ of course, but एक दो साल तक आपको अपडेट भी नहीं
Yeah.
करना पड़ेगा. And
हाँ.
it could be a really good
चलता ही रहेगा,
source
like.
of revenue and like
Yeah.
passively that comes in, क्योंकि हर बार आपको जाके
Passive.
सिखाना
Yeah.
नहीं
Yeah.
पड़ेगा, है ना? तो this
सही
could
बात.
be
सही
like
बात.
and I
This
don't
could be a,
understand why
yeah,
people are
definitely.
not getting into this. Like this is such an amazing opportunity, man.
Yeah. Yeah. Because अभी के time पे because of TikTok and the reels and everything, so everyone just wants to learn dance choreographies
Yeah,
basically,
yeah, yeah, correct.
which is not bad at all. Like that's also something creative,
Mm-hmm.
but so it becomes difficult to make courses and sell them when people don't want to learn a particular style from the basics, and you progress to the intermediate and then the advanced stuff. um, but you can work around through that. Like you have to figure out what the people, like what is in demand at this
Correct.
current time, what people are wanting. So abhi ke time pe it's really simple to just make choreographies on जो भी viral songs है and keep posting on reels. If you're lucky, if you get one or two viral reels, then your content will be viewed by other people. You'll get a lot of followers. You might have you might get the chance to collaborate with brands and stuff. So
Exactly.
this is the kind of flow अभी जहाँ पे जा रहा है, because of the lockdown, like बहुत कुछ ही digitally shift हो गया. So digital way, like if you can what to say, find a way to earn money digitally, then it will be helpful in the future, because धीरे धीरे everything will start happening online only. So online
Right,
courses
that is
जैसा
absolutely
होता है.
correct. That is, and thank you for your insight on this. And I know बहुत लोगों के लिए मतलब informative होगा, बहुत लोगों के लिए बहुत valuable होगा. And
yeah, yeah,
I'll try like I'll try and get more information. ठीक है कि मतलब statistics भी
हाँ
I'll try and get कि कितना demand है and क्या है and all.
yeah, कितना
And
डिमांड है क्या है,
let's just
exactly.
ideate on this if possible. But of course, because
Yeah, sure.
you are also like doing other stuff, आपका अपना स्टूडियो भी आप रेंट मतलब खोल रहे हो अपने अपने पर्सनल क्लासेस के लिए and all, and you're
हाँ
expanding your everything, so
yeah. खुद
it
का
might
स्टूडियो तो
just
ड्रीम है, like eventually, और मे बी 6-7 years में भी खुद का स्टूडियो खोलने का प्लान है, बट अभी फिलहाल के लिए रेंट पे ही चल रहा है.
नहीं that of course, and I see it happening before 6-7 years, of course, because the way you are progressing, and
Let's
I
see.
hope that it happens. I really
Yeah.
pray for this, man. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you for this. And वैसे मतलब I didn't introduce this segment because all of a sudden we went into it and I didn't want to interrupt.
हाँ
But
हाँ
this
अभी
segment
कर लो
is
introduction.
this segment is actually called like what I like to call it is क्या dancers पैसा कमा पा रहे हैं. So
Oh अच्छा.
this is the segment's name, and
Yes.
we talked about it, and I didn't want to break the flow because a lot of information was flowing.
हाँ कोई नहीं.
So
Definitely
कोई बात
अभी के
नहीं.
टाइम पे you can earn, yeah, अभी के टाइम पे you can earn money, like I wouldn't say easily, but you can earn money through doing all of, like all the things that you love to do. Like if you're into art, maybe painting or anything, you just have to find a way to connect to a wide range of audience, and when they're demanding your stuff more, then you're basically earning more. Yeah, that's how
Correct.
it is. And if you're a dancer, then again I'm saying, please ask yourself, what do I love to do? Do I love to make videos? Then get into that, get into making videos. Maybe not of yourself, maybe you love making videos for others, like
Exactly.
जैसा होता
Yeah.
है events का trailers वगैरह. So जैसे Stance is there, and Vincani TV is there. Do you like to make videos related to teaching? Then
Right.
you make online courses ka videos. So there are a lot of ways to earn money. You just have to figure out what you want to do, and then how you're gonna approach the approach what you're wanting to do. Like
Correct.
there has to be a way to get into it. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, make small goals for every day to achieve. So it's like that. Like I for me it was going and talking to studios and figuring out कहाँ पे I can start the classes, and uh, then promoting the classes through videos and workshops to get more students. So
Correct.
there are few things which you have to do, like after you figure out what you love to do, to uh, to uh, to actually
Make money
see,
out of it.
and yeah, like one, make money out of it. And हम लोग को तो ऐसा, like school के time से ही, like a lot of people used to say, जो बाद में realize हुआ कि like they used to say कि where do you see yourself in 5 years? And that is a question which is very uncomfortable to ask yourself. You're like, अभी तो पता नहीं, अभी तो ये event आ रहा है, मैं event में जाने वाला हूँ, event के बाद क्या होगा क्या पता, stuff like that. Because at a young age you think of, you take things as they come. You don't plan to कि अच्छा इसके बाद ऐसा करके उस तरफ जाऊंगा. You don't plan that. Whatever is coming your way, you try to make the best of it by living in the
Right.
moment, which is perfect, absolutely perfect. But there is a certain age I would say for everything. Okay?
Hmm.
After 25, if you are not, aiming to, what to say, to find a way to have a fixed income in
Right.
future, then you will struggle a lot later on, because like you'll not only like खुद ही श्योर नहीं होगे कि कितना में पैसा आएगा मेरे पास, कितना में खर्चा होगा हर मंथ. So if you
Correct.
don't have this tab, then it will be very difficult. So 25 के पहले do whatever you're doing, like, you know, क्या बोलते हैं, going to events, attending workshops, उस टाइम कैसे भी आप मैनेज कर रहे हो पैसा, maybe from your
Hmm.
parents or from other sources, doing small work maybe. So उसके through you support your passion, right? But after 25, I would, recommend the young dancers कि you figure out कि what you want to do and you pursue uh, towards that. Like जैसे अभी के टाइम पे I am not traveling पहले जैसा that much. I am more
हाँ.
focused on, growing my classes, because I'm 29, and it's, I realize it's, time for me to not really settle down. Like, that's not the term I want to use, settle down, but to
Priorities have changed. मतलब पहले था कि
priorities have changed.
हाँ, you want to
Yeah,
explore more,
priorities have
but
changed.
हाँ,
Explore more, and I did like
yes,
बहुत events travel किया, बहुत लोगों से मिला, बहुत connections बनाए. But now it's time कि, I should be able to like sustain in this field of dancing, through dancing, because I love to do it. And so whatever ways I'm seeing, I'm approaching it, and I'm seeing the results come out. So I'm like, fuck, like if I would have done this for 3-4 years ago also, like, approaching all these dance institutes, and maybe approaching schools for dance classes and stuff, or gyms for dance classes, then अभी और हो रहा होता. Like मेरे अंडर अभी एक स्टूडेंट है, one of my students only, who is also helping me teach. So
okay,
like this, I could have had, couple of more students teaching in different other places as well. So उन लोग
correct.
का भी, income start हो जाता at a young age.
हाँ.
So yeah, these things, I've come to realize after such a long journey of mine, and that this is the advice which I would have loved to pass down to the young kids who are just starting out, or who are just confused what to do and
नहीं,
how to go
एक्चुअली
about.
लाइक एज यू सेड कि क्योंकि हमें अपना आर्ट, अपना डांस इतना ज्यादा प्यारा है, वी लव इट, कि वी डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि इससे पैसा कैसे बनाएंगे, है ना. एंड
Yeah,
इफ यू डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट, इट इज रियली हार्ड कि आप बना पाओ. सो यू हैव टू
yeah,
थिंक
yeah,
अबाउट इट ना, मतलब पहले तो.
definitely.
तो
हाँ,
आई होप
and
दिस
बहुत
पॉडकास्ट
uncomfortable
हेल्प्स.
लगता है. हाँ, बहुत uncomfortable भी लगता है खुद को पूछना कि क्या करेगा. Like we, like, because this is basically taking responsibility.
यस,
Like when you
एग्जैक्टली.
ask yourself all these questions, and as youngsters, like a lot of people don't like taking responsibility. I was one of them, and I know a lot of kids out there who are
एवरीबॉडी
like
इज ना,
that as well.
मतलब हर कोई है तो.
हाँ,
एंड एक
उस
थोड़ा सा
उस टाइम पे
आई
कौन
थिंक
सोचता है.
कि ये क्वेश्चन का जब आंसर नहीं रहता है ना, तो ईगो पे लगता है
हम्म.
कि यार.
या, हाँ,
तो
सेम.
वी
मेरे को
अवॉइड
मेरे को
इट
खुद
कि
कितना
ये
अजीब
क्वेश्चन ही
लगता
नहीं
था.
आए.
या वी अवॉइड. या जब रिलेटिव्स पूछ लेते थे कि क्या करना है बेटा आगे, ऐसे क्यों पूछ रहे क्वेश्चन, मुझे तो डांस ही करना है, मुझे डांस करना है. बट आई कुड नॉट, डिस्क्राइब टू माई सेल्फ कि अच्छा डांस के थ्रू कैसे कमाएगा, वो तो बता. डांस तो करना है, वो तो पता है.
एग्जैक्टली,
बट हाउ
एग्जैक्टली.
विल यू सस्टेन थ्रू डांस, फिगर दैट आउट.
And I love that you use the word sustain, because sustainability
हाँ,
is a word that I use very often. मतलब पॉडकास्ट में बहुत लोग हमेशा सुनते हैं कि मेक अ सस्टेनेबल वे ऑफ इनकम, नॉट जस्ट कि एक बार हो
या,
गया, ठीक है, आ गया तो आ गया,
हाँ,
मतलब वैसा चीज नहीं है.
या,
सस्टेनेबल, लाइक यू आर गोइंग
वैसा
फॉर,
चीज नहीं. बट
लाइक एज यू अप्रोच, लाइक you first were giving personal classes ऐसे ही एक जगह पे,
हाँ,
then you
हाँ,
approach studios, and then you're teaching in 2
yep,
studios right now, ठीक है, उनके साथ आप signed हो.
yeah, yeah,
And then
yeah,
you're also renting your
yeah.
place for your own personal classes, and you have a big
Own
aim of
personal
having your
class,
own
yep.
studio, ठीक
Own
है.
studio eventually,
यस,
yes.
इन द फ्यूचर. तो ये लोग
In the future.
ऐसे ऐसे सोचना पड़ेगा ना. तो आई होप लाइक
हाँ,
बहुत ही
हाँ,
इंफॉर्मेटिव था ये, एंड
definitely.
बहुत ही ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल था. एंड जिन लोगों को
Yeah,
भी डांस में एज अ टीचर आगे बढ़ना है या एज अ मेंटोर आगे बढ़ना है, सो दिस कुड बी really valuable thing that you can take and actually take action. मतलब चलो यहाँ से information तो आपको मिल गई कि अभी
हाँ
बॉय ट्रूवन ने कैसे करा. Probably
Yep.
आपके ways थोड़े different हो सकते हैं, but this will
Yeah,
help you start, है ना?
yeah,
And that is the whole
exactly.
point of the podcast, and that is the whole
Yeah,
essence of it.
yeah.
So
And
thank you
मैंने
so.
वही चीज शेयर किया कि मैंने वही चीज शेयर करने की कोशिश किया जो मेरे को कुछ समय पहले नहीं पता था, which I got to
Right.
know after experiencing all these things with talking to the studios and experiencing what the students are wanting and stuff like that. So because of that, like जो भी मैंने knowledge gain किया, I just shared with you guys, and I hope it will help you all out. And I no, not meaning to brag or anything, but all these things which I'm doing is actually working in real life, which is why I'm really confident on these things, and like really confident on sharing those things with you guys, because
Exactly.
Akash knows, like I just bought a bike with my own
Yeah,
money,
yeah,
and
yeah. I saw.
it's a crazy
Was-
feeling, like when
Yeah,
it's
actually, man, I can
amazing
totally
feeling.
relate.
I was so emotional. I was like, finally, like I'm able to get this, because for a long time I wanted to buy a bike and I was not able to. But I saved up, like I through all of this, through everything that I just shared, and I started earning so much that I was able to get it. And you guys can do it too. Like you can maybe save that money, and if not wanting a bike, maybe you can go for an international travel on your own,
Yeah.
do an international event, and make your dreams come true. But it starts small. Ask yourself what you want, and then figure out how you're gonna get it.
नहीं, absolutely, absolutely, and thank you so much for यार इनको भी आज ही करना है क्या सब कुछ?
ठीक है. Spoilers behind the scene, BTS.
कोई नहीं यार, I love dogs, so चलो कोई बात नहीं, तुम ही.
Yeah.
So, thank you so much for
फटाके फट रहे हैं.
thank you so much कि आप एक बार ही मतलब बोलने पे आ गए. And मेरे को लगा like of course time is the main thing, time is the main issue कि सबको time थोड़ा manage करके चलना पड़ता है. But thank you so much for being on the podcast, and I still have a few more questions left that I would like to ask, and I'm still dicey कि ये अपन आज करें या should we continue it in another episode, and so that we can have some more fun.
अच्छा.
And so we'll see to it.
I think one more episode, एक और episode करते हैं.
Like I have like एक question जो मेरे को वाला पूछना था, that was I think वो ज़्यादा time लगा, and that is regarding the inclusion of breaking in Olympics, and उसके regarding बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, like internationally बहुत कुछ हो रहा है ना, and India में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है. You're part of the federation also. So
yeah, we started our federation.
Exactly, पहली बार, and I am just loving it कि actually there is a federation now for that is dedicated to dancing. अभी breaking है. And a federation which is
governed by dancers itself. क्योंकि बाहर में there are a lot of places where the affiliation has been given to people who do martial arts.
Okay.
For breaking, like official limits. So they'll be managing the breakers, whereas they don't have idea like what breaking is.
Right, exactly.
So it's
that's what I'm saying. This is a whole topic for another episode.
Yeah, if you want to listen about if you want to listen about all these conversations, please subscribe. YouTube पे जा रहा है ना?
Thank you so much इस promotion के लिए, because बहुत कम ही बारी मैं बोलता हूँ कि subscribe to this channel.
YouTube पे जा रहा है ना?
It's going on YouTube and on Spotify also.
अच्छा. So if you want to hear the second part where we're going to discuss breaking in Olympics, please subscribe and please follow up for more such amazing content by Akash. He's doing a really good job sharing, getting artists like us to share our experiences with you guys, and just enjoy the podcast. And if you learn something or if it helps you out, God bless.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this. And guys, if you are not following True One, you should be. ठीक है? The Instagram is mentioned below in the description. Description में बहुत सारे links रहेंगे. ठीक है? So I'm telling you what all रहेंगे. Vivo True One का Instagram रहेगा. ठीक है? Shape Your Sunday का Instagram है. We also have the link to the podcast. If you're listening this or watching this on YouTube, if you're listening this to on Spotify, we have a link to the YouTube video.
Spotify.
So जिस भी प्लेटफॉर्म पे आपको अच्छा लगे कंटेंट कंज्यूम करना, you can go follow, check out, ठीक है? Because this I think is if we grow, you grow. So that is the whole point of it.
Definitely. Yeah.
It's a whole क्या कहते हैं, एक रिलेशनशिप हमारा है कि if we grow, you also grow.
Yeah,
if you grow, we
definitely.
also grow. So let's actually make this happen.
And I hope you grow so much that in future I hope you get to do these interviews with international dancers who you look up to, and they will be sharing their experiences.
Exactly. I would love to do that, and that is my whole aim. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yep.
And actually I want to bring the actual OGs and talk about the culture, talk about the history and future and everything, like a lot of things.
Definitely.
Yeah, man, that is
all the best for that, Akash.
Thank you so much. And before we actually end the podcast, I have a small rapid fire round that I do with the artists who come here. So the rapid fire is really easy. No, I'm not gonna headshot you, but it's really easy. It is about कि मैं एक डांस स्टाइल का नाम लूंगा, and you have to tell me the first artist that comes to your mind. Anybody it could be. Okay. So are you ready?
Yep, let's go.
Okay, so let's begin. The first dance style is popping.
Tushar
CC, Poppin CC. Oh, great. The next style is scrum.
I really love watching Grechka.
Oh, nice. Yeah, man,
Rajka. He's crazy.
Crazy, absolutely. The next style is hip hop.
I really love hip hop.
Can't take so much time.
Sri Lakshmi.
Oh, man, yeah, she's really awesome, man. The next style is house.
Sambo.
Oh, Sambo, absolutely. I hope you don't take your name B-boying.
No. B-boy Bunny.
Okay, yeah, nice.
The OG.
And lastly, the dance style that I promote so much, tatting.
Akash.
Let's
go.
That was fun.
Yeah, bro.
So the whole idea of doing this is what I think is कि जब मैं पूछता हूँ आपसे किस डांस स्टाइल का नाम लेता हूँ, and the first person that comes to your mind is probably the person जिसने आपके दिमाग में वो स्टाइल से कोई छाप छोड़ा है, right? It could be through it could be through the performance or through teaching or whatever be the reason. लेकिन उन्होंने कुछ मतलब करा है, तो जिनका भी नाम आता है, I would like to shout out loud their names, because they have actually achieved something and they have actually made a difference. So thank you so much for being awesome, and be awesome. Be more awesome. That's what
be awesome.
Is all about.
Awesome.
So thank you so much, Rajbhaiya. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank
and
you.
As I said कि हम फिर मिलेंगे, एक और podcast करेंगे, and we'll have
Part 2.
more stuff, more exciting stuff. Wow. Till date, my favorite podcast, मतलब अभी तक का, like undoubtedly, यार, if you have listened to this far, you know that how informative it was and how crucial it actually was. Thank you all for tuning in, and मैं समय आपका ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगा. बहुत सारी बातें करी हमने पॉडकास्ट में. आई जस्ट होप कि उनमें से कुछ आपको हेल्प कर जाए. एंड अदर देन दैट, इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, reach out to B-Boy True One. You know, the link is in the description. Reach out to Shape Your Sunday. The link is in the description. And I'll see you again in another podcast. Till then, keep dancing, keep shaping, and make lots and lots of money.